When you're doing roundabouts in your driving test, watch out for this really unusual situation that could potentially make you fail your driving test. So, if you look at this mini roundabout, as you drive up, you can see the cars on your left are turning right. Therefore, you would assume you could go right. Let me pause it. So we know the right has priority, but if the cars here on your left, so all these cars and the bike, if they indicate right, therefore they're gonna block your right. They're gonna block. So this learner, white driver here, he's blocking the path of your right, the priority side. Therefore, as a student, as a driver, anybody, you're gonna try push through. But the most unusual situation that could happen, and you have to be aware, is potentially, as you're gonna see, the cars may do a U-turn. So they're indicating right, but really and truly, they're gonna come all the way back around. Now, in a big roundabout, you'll have time to see that happening. In a small roundabout, unfortunately, you have to see a few things. We're just gonna first play the clip. So as you drive, you can see this car, look, right now on the corner of your right, doing a full U-turn, coming all the way back around. And they're on your right side, so therefore you have to be the one that weighs. Now that does happen, they have the right to do that. You as a learner driver in your test, any car, you have to be alert to see it happening. How do you know that was going to happen? Let's just show it back to you. Okay, left, you want to go left. Brake a bit, clutch down, going to gear 2. Gear 2 please, listen to me. Good, look right, there's a BM, but he's been blocked by this car. So look at this car, he's doing a U-turn. Look, you see it?
Yeah.
Go to 1, go to 1. Now, I know as a learner driver with limited amount of experience and hours, it's very hard to see all that happening because you have to look at your right, you have to see at the indicators, you have to see who's blocking who. As we approach, look at this car in the middle now. You can tell by a few factors. One is the way they position themselves. One is how slow they're going. Look at the way he's so close to this roundabout. And it's a bit hard to see, but he does actually wave his hand to say that he's going to do a full U-turn, which was really nice of him. Sometimes the drivers just do a full U-turn without slowing down, swinging through. You as a learner driver now have to react quite sudden. But a few factors was the way they position, the speed that they're going out. You can see they may try swing around as well. He swung right in, but they may try swing all the way around the roundabout to create more space. So there's a few factors. Let's see if you can see their hand movement. So we just slowed it down a little bit. You can see like he sticks his head out the window in the corner. So that was my indication. And look at the way he's positioned. I know he's cut through the clip now, but that's how we knew he was going to do U-turn. So watch out for it. Unfortunately, if you do not react, you would fail in your driving test. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe with FM Driving School. We've got loads more clips on how to pass your driving test first time.